associating VP Constantino Chiwenga's stance against corruption and bad governance with political agendas is dishonest and dangerous. Ndizanabena mashoko arikuda panguva ino. People they are commenting pane drama reserviticum the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panguva ino vichonekwa kunzi aiwa mafights in the ruling party ZANU-PF panapa asvika deadly levels. Panapa anytime mugona kugonza unzi ningi awiswa ningi awa pasi not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina panapa payendo yachabata Lawrence anobudanyira chiti kunzai mutisi. Corruption is not a factional issue. It is a national cancer. Everyone inside and outside the party agrees that corruption is bleeding this country dry. The only people who dismiss or attack the VPC position are those benefiting from the road. Those protecting their networks of looting, or those too compromised to speak out. Kudzai mutisi to suggest that fighting corruption should only happen when it serves political convenience is a betrayal of the people. Ordinary citizens suffer daily because of collapsed services, unemployment, and a broken economy, all fueled by corruption. Turning the VPC stance into a political football is nothing but a defense of thieves. If you truly stand for the president's 2030 vision, then you should support a total, uncompromising war against corruption, because without cleaning up governance, that vision is impossible. Bashona. Standing against General Chunga's position is standing against the people, standing against progress, and standing for decay. Ndoma shukuma advisor kudzwa vanhu vari kunzi aiwa vanhu vese vari kusapota 2030 support it kana muchiziva kuti mabvisa zvikananda vanhu vese vari corrupt. Otherwise panguva inoyi munenge muchiuya muchisapota aiwa decay munyika, aiwa kudengenyeka kwenyika yedu nemaresources and everything. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.